6 minus 3 times 5 plus 2. 6 minus 3 will give us 3. Then we have 3 times 5 plus 2. 3 times 5 will give us 15. Then we have 15 plus 2. 15 plus 2 is equals to 17. 17 is the wrong answer to this question because we did not work with the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, we have parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal priorities, such as addition and subtraction, working from your left to your right, in order to arrive in a very correct answer. Let us solve the right answer to this question. First of all, we are going to work with our multiplication because it comes first before subtraction and addition. 3 times 5 will give us 15. Then we have 6 minus 15 plus 2. 6 minus 15 will give us a negative 9. Then we have negative 9 plus 2. Negative 9 plus 2 will give us negative 7. Negative 7 is the right answer to this question. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.